Individual impact of variables. When we are building a model, we might find all the variables to be important, or we can remove them one by one from multicollinearity also. But there has to be an importance of each and every variable. For example, if we are building a model and out of those predictor variables, we only want top 5 variables. Or while selecting the model, we may want to drop a few less important variables from our model so that the computation cost of building the model would be very low. So how do we rank the predictor variable in order of their importance? So we can go with a few criterions. One would be Z value. We will look at the summary of the model that we have built, and we will look at the Z value of each and every variable. More importantly, we will look at the absolute Z value of that variable. If there is a value which is minus 30 and another value is 20, we will consider the 30 to be more impactful. Or we can go with the Walt chi-square, which is nearly equal to the square of Z score. So Walt chi-square value helps us ranking the variable because this is a square of Z value and square is always positive, so we don't have to consider the absolute values there. Either we can take the Z value, the absolute of Z value, or we can calculate the Walt chi-square. But in the summary function we already get the Z value, and we can just take the absolute Z value and we can say whichever variable has higher value of Z is the more impactful variable. So let's get into our Python environment and work on how do we look or interpret the Z value. So we will again use the fiber bits model that we have built, and looking at the summary we will find the variable importance and we will try to order them based on their impact. Okay, so I will import the data set, and then using the stat models API SM, I will build the logistic regression model with X and Y predefined, and then I will look at the summary of my model. I have used summary2 function. Okay, so over here we can see that Z value, this is the constant for which we don't have to see the Z value. This would be obsolete for us. Looking at all the variables, income, month on network, number of complaints, in all these variables, the speed test result has maximum Z value, which is 93. It means that if the person is taking a speed test result and if speed test is high, the customer is staying there, and if the speed test result is low, the customer is leaving the company. With this order, if we go, the relocated is another factor, which is pretty obvious. If the person has relocated, there is a guarantee or possibility that the customer will not stay with the company. Next impactful variable would be technical issue per month. So this is a negative Z value also, which is defining that this variable is important but it's giving a negative impact on our model, which means that if the person is getting more and more technical issues per month, there is a possibility that person might leave the company. So like this we can just arrange these variables in ascending or descending order.